Hey guys, it's Gigi. How's everybody doing today? Well, I thought I'd hop on here and bring you along with me and let you hang out with me while I make myself some lunch. If you remember the other day, I talked about my rotisserie chicken, and there's just me and my husband, so I can do so many different things with a rotisserie chicken, and I've got a little bit left today. So what I decided to do is I chopped it up, and hands are clean, kind of shredded it up, had some of the breast meat left. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to make me a Buffalo Ranch chicken quesadilla for lunch. Doesn't that sound good? Well, it does to me anyhow. Okay, so in my shredded chicken, I'm gonna season it up. I've got a little onion powder. Listen, this is just one of those things, I'm making it for myself, so just eyeball it to your taste. But a little onion powder, a little garlic powder, and this is gonna be Buffalo Ranch, so I'm gonna add a little bit of my ranch seasoning. Smells so good already. Okay, of course, you can't have a Buffalo Ranch quesadilla without some Frank's hot sauce. This again is to your liking. How hot, how spicy. Frank's to me is not really that hot. Let me mix this up and see if I think I want to add a little bit more. Oh, it smells so good. I think that's going to be plenty. And then to that, I'm going to add a little sour cream, maybe a good heaping tablespoon of sour cream. Buffalo Ranch quesadilla. Let me see if I think that's going to be enough. Like I said, this is just me using some of my leftover rotisserie chicken and putting me a quick lunch together. And I thought, you know, what can I do with that chicken? I need to use it. And a chicken quesadilla is where my mind went. And then I was like, some ranch seasoning and some buffaloes. Ooh, a buffalo ranch chicken quesadilla. That sounds delicious. Yep, I think that's gonna be enough. Okay, I'm gonna move us over to the stove for the next step, okay? Okay guys, we're back. We're over here at the stove, and I need to tell y'all that I'm using the Hero flour tortillas, 0 carbs. I've already shredded me up some mozzarella cheese, and I'm gonna go ahead. I've been letting my tortilla heat up, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some mozzarella cheese. This will also work as a binding to hold the tortillas together once you flip it. I'll put some on both sides. Okay, and we're gonna put some of our mixture on there. And this will definitely loosen up some too once it gets hot and toasted. And that cream cheese that's in it starts to melt. I think I'm gonna have enough to make a couple of these. I mean, 0 carbs, why not? Y'all, this is gonna be so good. Listen, a cook's best tools, hands. Might not be some people's opinion, may not be popular opinion, but this is what God gave me my phalanges for. So I'm gonna use them. Okay. Let's put the rest of the mozzarella. Can't have too much mozzarella, for sure. And spread that around. Yeah, hear that sizzle? I need my big spatula for this. Let me check that. I think we can let it, almost, but not quite. But what I will do is I'm going to go ahead, put my butter on this side. I buttered my pan before I put that first tortilla down, but I'm going to go ahead and spread this one with some butter on this side. Because, you know, butter makes everything better. And that's what they say, and who am I to argue with them? Because I agree. Oh yeah, guys, look at that. That is going to be delicious. This is going to be a delicious lunch. Look at that. Leftover rotisserie chicken. I had everything already here. Sour cream, Frank's hot sauce, mozzarella cheese. Had some already shredded up in that bag from my pizza that I did yesterday. My seasonings. I had everything in the house that I needed. Didn't have to go out to the store, get no ingredients. Just making up this quick lunch with everything that I have here. And you know what, guys? I think it's ready. So I'm gonna move this back over here and cut us up a slice and taste of it, okay? Okay, guys, I'm back. It's gonna be a mighty good lunch. Let's give it a try. Remember, I took rotisserie chicken, chopped it up, kind of shredded it, put some of my seasoning, some onion powder, garlic powder, ranch seasoning, some Frank's hot sauce, some sour cream, mixed it all up together good in a bowl, combined it really well. I used my Hero tortillas, 0 carb. So this is a very low carb, healthy lunch. If you're eating low carb, or if you're a diabetic, or just counting your calories or whatever, this is a very healthy lunch. So we're going to give it a try. Y'all, I don't care if you're not eating healthy. This is delicious. Now I'll tell you, some salsa would have been good. That's the one ingredient that I didn't have, surprisingly. But some salsa would have been good too. Oh gosh, that's good. Then again, you probably really didn't need the salsa, because that Frank's hot sauce really gives it a nice kick. Not hot, but just a little kick. Y'all. Best thing I fixed in a while. Y'all, you gotta try it. Well, I'm gonna wrap it up. Go enjoy my lunch while it's hot. I love these. Gorgy. I don't represent them. Nothing like that. This is just what I drink, and I love them. And then I'm gonna wrap this video up. Go enjoy my lunch while it's hot. Thank y'all once again for joining me in my kitchen and spending a little time with me. I appreciate it. I hope you'll like it, or give me a heart or a thumbs up, or if you don't mind, share the video, comment. But until the next time, go show some love and kindness to somebody. A lot of people out there need it. I tell you that all the time. It doesn't take much effort at all to share a little kindness. So, y'all have a good rest of your day. And until next time that we're together to share another good recipe, Gigi saying, I love you guys. Bye-bye.